Our ancestors actually were kind of made for this and do it all the time. Now let's see why we, as humans, are born to do it too. Rock climbing is actually hardwired into our genetics, because 99% of our DNA is the same with chimpanzees. Astonishing. In particular, chimpanzees have the tendency to climb up on the trees so as to avoid predation from larger animals and collect food. Imagine yourself living in the forest. Wouldn't you feel safer sitting up on the trees? Basically, we have lost many traits that would help us with our vertical endeavors such as a tail or some flexibility. However, we still have many traits that assist us in climbing. Our hands actually help us support our full body on them, and all of the moves of rock climbing are possible due to these traits. Our bodies have evolved dramatically from apes to humans, but not to the point that we are unable to reap the benefits of our ancestors. But why do we enjoy climbing? Think about it. A dangerous activity like this, that has led many people to death, is so much ingrained in our DNA due to our ancestors. Isn't it ironic? There are many biochemical reactions that happen in our body during the time of climbing, such as the release of endorphins, which are hormones responsible for stress reduction, or the release of adrenaline. This release is satisfying for all humans when they climb, because it keeps them active and working. So, we are all capable of climbing. But what makes some of us better than others? In essence, it's a combination of traits and proper training and nutrition. Think about the last time you climbed. What attributes made you to the top? Was it the right technique? Or the structure of your hands, arms, legs and neck? Each and every one of these traits is expressed through our genes, but how is it possible to exist professional and non-professional climbers if we all have the same genes? Do the top climbers in the world have better climbing genes? Well, simply put, yes, they do. In addition, the top climbers in the world are better than an average climber, because they kind of manipulate their environment through intense workout and proper nutrition, as we mentioned before. So, we understand that we come from a line of tree-swinging apes and evolved into climbers. We have learned to enjoy climbing and be very good at it from our ancestors, because our DNA is nothing but the same with them and holds all the info about our climbing past and future. Our genetics are expressed in aspects like mental, social and spiritual lives. For instance, alcoholics and smokers have a genetic tendency to addiction. All human characteristics depend on genetics and environments. In particular, genes are expressed through contact with the environment. So, for example, if you live in a poor place, where you can't have access to buy food rich in protein, the ability for your body to recover from a workout will be affected. That's why, environment plays a major role in developing natural characteristics. So, rock climbing is an activity for all humans due to our genes, which offers a lot of benefits. In particular, you can see the physical and mental benefits of rock climbing by clicking this video right here.